It's no secret that saving up for a down payment on a house can feel like an impossible challenge, especially in today's real estate market, where prices always seem to be soaring. However, don't let that discourage you. Trust me, there are several creative and innovative ways to make your dream of homeownership a reality. And in this video, not only will you learn the secrets to buying a home with no money down and zero closing costs, but if you watch until the end, I want to show you how to avoid one of the biggest barriers to homeownership: not having enough cash for a down payment. So without wasting any time, here are 7 ways to buy a home with no money down and $0 closing costs. 7. The FHA loan. In the world of financing, FHA loans emerge as a popular and enticing option. But what is an FHA loan? Well, with an FHA loan, you can secure a new home by putting down as little as 3.5% of the purchase price. Not only that, but here's an added bonus. That down payment can even be a financial gift from your family or a qualified nonprofit or government agency. Talk about flexibility. FHA loans also offer another advantage that can make a world of difference for potential homebuyers. Unlike other loan programs, FHA loans come with lower down payment requirements and less restrictive qualifying criteria. On the other hand, be aware of one crucial detail. With the FHA loan program, you'll be required to pay a mortgage insurance premium, regardless of the amount of your down payment. While this may seem like a drawback, it's a small price to pay, considering the benefits you gain from this loan option. And if that didn't excite you enough, watch the video until the end and learn the other secrets I have in store for you. But before that, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, help us spread this video by sharing it with others. 6. Zero down home loans with private lenders. True enough, government-backed programs are not your only option. While these programs have the other benefits, it's worth knowing that some financial institutions also provide the opportunity for no money down mortgages. Although not as prevalent as they were before the 2008 financial crash, these loans can still be found. So how do you qualify for a no down payment loan from a private lender? Let's take a look at a couple of examples. North American Savings Bank and Navy Federal Credit Union are 2 lenders that offer such loans. Navy Federal Credit Union even goes the extra mile by not requiring private mortgage insurance, also called PMI. However, note that membership with Navy Federal is a prerequisite to qualify for their loan program. On the other hand, NASB extends this mortgage option exclusively to borrowers with a credit score of 700 or higher. If you're considering the possibility of a zero down home loan from a private lender, reach out to the lender directly for more information. Contact them and inquire about the specific details and requirements of their loan offerings before submitting an application. This way, you can ensure that you have a comprehensive understanding of the terms and conditions associated with these types of loans. 5. Homebuyer Assistance Program. Embarking on the journey of buying your first home can feel like diving into uncharted territory. I know the feeling. I've been there. But take it from me. A multitude of resources are at your disposal to help you navigate these unfamiliar waters. In fact, there are several programs, both at the local and national levels, specifically designed to provide financial assistance to new home buyers like yourself, and in some cases, even to previous homeowners. So, why not take advantage of these valuable opportunities? Start by exploring the local programs available in your area. These programs are tailored to the specific needs of your community, offering unique benefits and financial assistance. Many states have their own homebuyer assistance programs, providing additional resources to support your homeownership journey. And let's not forget about the nonprofit organizations that are dedicated to helping individuals like you achieve their dreams of owning a home. These organizations often offer specialized programs and grants that can ease the financial burden of purchasing a property. 4. VA loans. Trust me when I say that VA loans are a game changer. These loans are made possible through private lenders, including banks, credit unions, and mortgage finance companies, with the added support of the Department of Veterans Affairs. The combination of private funding and government backing creates a winning formula for veterans and service members. One of the standout features of VA loans is the flexibility they offer. With little to no down payment requirements and lower interest rates compared to traditional mortgages, Virginia loans make homeownership more accessible. Yes, you can now say goodbye to the hefty down payments that often stand in the way of your dreams. Not only that, These loans accommodate a higher debt-to-income ratio and lower credit scores, making them an excellent option for those with varying financial backgrounds. And here's what I want you to note. VA loans don't require private mortgage insurance, further reducing your financial burden. VA loans eliminate the need for down payments if the home's sales price aligns with its appraised value. Instead, the VA Home Loan Guarantee takes center stage. This agreement ensures that the VA will reimburse the lender in case of foreclosure, effectively replacing the traditional down payment requirement. It's a win-win situation for veterans and service members looking to secure their dream homes. But hey, to be eligible for a VA loan, you must meet certain criteria. This includes being a veteran, active duty service member, member of the National Guard, Reserve, or the surviving spouse of a veteran. Depending on your military status and service details, additional requirements may apply. To ensure you meet all the necessary criteria, take a look at the comprehensive list of VA loan eligibility requirements. 3. USDA loans. If you're a low or moderate income American looking to achieve the dream of homeownership, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, or USDA, has your back. Through various loan, grant, and loan guarantee programs, the USDA provides valuable home ownership opportunities to individuals like you. One of the standout offerings from the USDA program is their low-interest, fixed-rate loans. These loans can be obtained directly from USDA Rural Development or through approved lenders with the guarantee of USDA Rural Development. The aim is to make financing more accessible and affordable for qualified borrowers. Now, the USDA loan programs include the Section 502 Direct Loan Program and the Section 502 Guaranteed Loan Program. The Direct Loan Program assists individuals with low and very low income in eligible rural areas by providing payment assistance. This assistance helps improve their ability to repay the mortgage, a crucial factor that lenders consider when approving loans. The amount of payment assistance is determined based on your income. On the other hand, the Guaranteed Loan Program collaborates with approved lenders to provide mortgages to low and moderate income households in eligible rural areas. USDA provides a 90% guarantee to approved lenders, reducing the risk associated with extending 100% loans to eligible rural homebuyers. A noteworthy advantage of USDA loans is that they don't require a down payment. However, to qualify, you must live or plan to live in an eligible rural area. Apart from the location requirements, other USDA loan eligibility criteria include making the purchased home your primary residence, demonstrating your ability to manage debt, and maintaining a debt-to-income ratio of 41% or lower. Keep in mind that income limits vary by program and location. For guaranteed loans, your income cannot exceed 115% of the median income for your area. Meanwhile, direct issue loans have lower income limits, potentially as low as 50% of the median income in certain areas. 2. Down payment gift. If you find yourself in the fortunate position of having a generous family member who wants to contribute to your down payment, you can make the most of this opportunity, provided you adhere to your lender's guidelines. The key is to carefully follow the requirements set forth by your lender, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free process. To utilize a down payment gift effectively, you'll need to establish a clear paper trail that demonstrates the details of the gift. This includes documenting the identity of the generous individual who provided the gift, the method through which they transferred the funds to you, the date of the gift, and most importantly, confirming that it is indeed a gift with no expectation of repayment. Maintaining a proper paper trail is vital as it demonstrates transparency and ensures compliance with your lender's regulations. This documentation provides evidence to support the legitimate use of the gifted funds towards your down payment, helping you navigate the loan application process with confidence. 1. Have the seller pay closing costs. In a buyer's market, where there is an excess supply of homes compared to demand, it may be reasonable to request the seller to cover some or even all of your closing costs. Sellers, facing tough competition, might be more open to negotiations to facilitate a swift and successful sale. Conversely, in a seller's market, where the demand for homes surpasses the available supply, the chances of the seller contributing towards your closing costs may be slim. With multiple interested buyers, sellers may have less incentive to provide financial assistance. Nonetheless, It's always worth inquiring about the possibility of the seller paying closing costs, even in a seller's market. Some sellers may be motivated to close the deal quickly and find it beneficial to negotiate on closing costs to ensure a smooth and timely transaction. Using one of the methods discussed in this video can be a game changer when it comes to making homeownership more affordable, especially if you find yourself short on cash. Don't rush into any decisions without doing your research. Take the time to educate yourself, seek advice from professionals, and make choices that align with your long-term financial stability. Now, are you planning to buy your first house? Tell us in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. In fact, if you want to know exactly how to buy real estate without having to be approved by a bank, watch this video next where we'll go into complete detail. So click the video on the screen now, and we'll see you in the next one.